Okay, here we are with A&J Time Rentals again. We're going to go over our two chainsaws that we rent. We have a 14-inch electric chainsaw and we have an 18-inch gas chainsaw. And of course, like always, you need to wear your gloves and hearing protection and eye protection. But on the 18-inch gas saw, this back hole is where you put your gas oil mix. This front hole is where you'll put your bar oil. We will supply you with a bucket that has gas oil mix and bar oil in it, so you don't have to worry about that. We also have in the bucket a bar wrench and a brand new chain. That should get you through any job that you need to get through. To start this chainsaw, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to pull the trigger and all the way down with that lever right there. That holds the trigger on high speed, and it also puts the machine on choke. You don't want to start it on choke. As you start to pull it, it'll sound like it wants to run. When it wants to run, then you go ahead and kick it off choke. Once I get it started, I'll go over a couple things on the chain brake. When it does that, you kick it up one notch off of choke, high speed idle. Once it's running, you can pull the trigger and it'll take it off of idle, high idle. This right here is your chain brake. If your hand kicks back, it'll stop the chain. Pull it back till it clicks, and it'll run. And when you want to run the saw, you want to make sure your log is off the ground to where it won't hit the chain on the ground. It'll dull a chain. And just let the saw do the cutting. Okay, now we're going to show you the electric chainsaw. You'll put the bar oil in this compartment here, and we'll give you bar oil. What you're going to want to do is use a good heavy gauge cord. Plug it in. Again, with this saw, if your hand hits the kickback, it will stop the chain and electricity from running on this saw. So you just pull it back, push this button, and pull the trigger. Just like that. And same with this saw as the other one. You just kind of let the saw do its own cutting.